Welcome to our Dongguan manufacturer. Right now we will bring you to manufacturer's facility. Let's bring you to go to the warehouse of the components. Let's go. This is our raw material warehouse. This is our electronic component warehouse. Welcome to our Dongguan manufacturer workshop line. Let's introduce for you one by one. This is our inverter assembly line. Let's introduce one by one. Let's check it. This is our final products. If you like to order, please come to our factory to be yours. This is our container shipped to Indonesia products. Our customer will receive the products as soon as possible. We will complete the Indonesia local factory plan at the beginning of 2025. All of our products will be shipped to all over the world.